BBL 5pcs Travel Portable Mini Eye Makeup Brushes Set. Use for eyeshadow, eyeliner, eyebrow, lip. The brush set comes with aluminum round tube holder for easy carrying. Made of soft synthetic fiber, won't irritate your skin. Delicate and stylish design provides you a beautiful makeup. Suitable for professional use or home use. Perfect professional eye makeup brushes set for travel. Great gift for your friend. %100% brand new and high quality. Brush bristle material, synthetic hair, pony hair. Brush ferrule material, aluminum alloy. Brush handle material, wood. Brush cylinder material, aluminum. Packing content: Slant eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow brush, eyebrow brush, eyeliner brush, lip brush.
The color of the actual items may slightly vary from the above images due to the different computer screen. Thanks for your understanding.